Let's talk about why affiliate marketing is the easiest side hustle out there for anyone from total beginners to experienced digital marketers. Welcome to my channel. My name is Caroline. You'll see a lot of people out here on YouTube and just in the internet world in general talking about making money with affiliate marketing, myself included, but there is a reason for that. And that's what I'm going to go over in this video. The reasons why it's so popular, why literally every marketer and influencer does it, and why it's the easiest online business to start making money from. Affiliate marketing is simply where you promote somebody else's product or service, and if a customer buys that product or service because you referred them, you receive a commission or a cut of the sale. The first reason that affiliate marketing is the easiest side hustle out there is because you can get started with affiliate marketing with literally no experience, no equipment, and no money. If you've got one of these, you can start an affiliate marketing business. You may not realize it, but most people that you follow on YouTube, Instagram, or basically any other social media platform out there are doing affiliate marketing. Do you watch someone's Instagram stories and they talk about a product they love and then slip in that they have a coupon code for you to use? That's affiliate marketing, and that's an affiliate product that they're promoting. Have you ever watched a YouTube video and someone talks about the makeup that they've just used in that video, or maybe the camera that they're using to film that video? And conveniently, there are links to those products in the description of their video that links to that product on Amazon. That's an affiliate link. One of my own income streams comes from affiliate marketing, products and services that I use for my self-publishing business and any websites or perhaps even online stores that I build that I think that you would benefit from too. I share with you, and if they do have an affiliate program, I will use an affiliate link in the description of my videos. And I receive some commissions from if you do end up clicking my links and going off and buying that product or service. So to start an affiliate marketing business, you do not need to have any technical experience whatsoever. There is no setting up websites, no implementing any kind of coding or web development, no using any kind of specialized apps or anything at all like that. You don't even need a computer or a laptop if you really don't want. It can all be done from your phone. And that is the only equipment that you'll need. A phone or a laptop and an internet connection. Nothing else. So don't think that you do need to go off and buy any new equipment or any kind of specialized equipment to run this kind of business. And you definitely do not need any money to start affiliate marketing. Affiliate programs are free to join, and the most successful ways to share affiliate offers with people is through social media, all of which are also free to join. The only thing that you will need to pay for is with your time creating content for your social media platforms to attract people to you and to your content. The second reason that affiliate marketing is the easiest side hustle is that you do not need to have your own product or service to get started. You don't need any inventory of any kind for anything whatsoever. You are not selling anything of your own. You are simply promoting someone else's product or service for them. Something that I try to make really clear about being an affiliate marketer is that affiliates are not salespeople. You are not going to be selling anything. And I know a lot of people get stuck on that and that they think that's what affiliate marketing is and they don't feel comfortable selling to people. As affiliates though, our job is just simply traffic generation. The selling of the product is up to the actual product owner once you send that lead or that person from your audience to their website. It's up to the owner of the product to actually do the selling of the product or service. You are just generating traffic and leads for your affiliate partner and sending people to them to get more information and hopefully buy whatever it is that you were promoting to them. Because of this, it gives you the freedom and the opportunity to start making money with affiliate marketing literally immediately. When you do have your own product or service to sell, you obviously have to take into account the amount of time that it takes to make that product before it is ready to sell, which can be often months. You then have to launch that product and market it. And when it is your own product, you do have to sell it. You have to be a salesperson. It's not just about traffic generation anymore when you have your own product. Affiliate marketing eliminates all of that, and you can just go straight to sharing affiliate products and services with your audience. The third reason that affiliate marketing is the easiest online business is that because there are so many different affiliate products and services in literally every niche out there that you can work with and become affiliate partners with. Affiliate and influencer marketing is so big nowadays that I would say the majority of brands out there have an affiliate program, from massive online brands like Amazon to your favorite fashion brands, to food you love, to products that you use in your home. All that you literally need to do is go to Google and do a search for the product or the brand that you want to promote, with the words affiliate program after that, and how to join their affiliate program will come up usually in one of the top few listings in the Google results. If you are not sure what products or brands that you want to work with, you can just start off by joining an affiliate platform. There are lots out there. Some of the most popular ones are ShareASale and Commission Junction. Once you join one of these affiliate platforms, they have hundreds, sometimes thousands of different companies on there who are looking for affiliate partners to promote their products. You can browse through the different categories to find someone that you might want to work with. And when you do find someone that you would like to partner with, you can just request to join their affiliate program and become an affiliate partner. The great thing about affiliate platforms is that everything is in one place. So you can work with multiple partners within the one platform. So you can see your stats, like how many referrals that you've sent or how many sales that you've made, all in the one place. And you get paid by the platform in one amount instead of individually from each affiliate that you're working with. All you need to do is decide what niche that you want to work in, what kind of products or services that you want to promote, and then you are good to go off and start joining affiliate programs. The fourth reason that affiliate marketing is the easiest online business is that there are so many different free ways to promote affiliate products. You don't need a website or a blog if you don't want one. Some people literally just pick one social media platform to focus on and just use that to start talking about affiliate products. All social media platforms are free to join and use. Some of the most popular ways to promote your affiliate offers is: one is YouTube. Create YouTube videos about the products that you're promoting and put your affiliate link in the description of the video. The great thing about this method is that it does not matter how many subscribers that you have. You can make money with affiliate marketing, even if you had 0 subscribers. YouTube is all about the views on your video because it is the people watching your video who may click on the links in your description. And that doesn't matter whether they are subscribed or not. So this means you don't need to wait for the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time that you might hear people talking about with YouTube, because those are the requirements to make money from advertising on your YouTube videos. So from ads being displayed before or during your videos. But you can put affiliate links into the description of your videos, regardless of how many subscribers you have, and regardless of whether you have reached those monetization levels or not. And don't like showing your face on camera? Check out these channels showing products that can be bought on Amazon. Just join the Amazon affiliate program, pop a link to the product in your video description, and you have a way to make money from affiliate marketing without even showing your face in videos. Instagram is also a popular place to share affiliate offers, as well as TikTok. These two work well together because their video content is very similar. So content that you make for TikTok can be repurposed and posted to your Instagram Reels without much extra work. I do feel like Instagram and TikTok work a little better with affiliate marketing when you do show your face, and people become more invested in you or in your brand or your business, whatever it is that you're putting out there. So when you do have an affiliate link to share, your audience is a little more perceptive and open to supporting you and clicking on your affiliate links. Facebook is a little tricky with promoting affiliate products because they don't really like having affiliate links on their platform, but you can also do well on Pinterest, specifically if your target audience are females or mums, because that is Pinterest's biggest audience. If Pinterest is your source of traffic generation, then I would go to one of those affiliate platforms that I mentioned before and do a search for products or services targeting females or mums. Once you have chosen what affiliate niche that you want to go forward and work in, just create your social media accounts and start posting content related to that niche. Make sure though that no matter what social media platform you are using, that you don't just push out affiliate posts and nothing else. You need to create helpful or entertaining content, and that should be the majority of what you are posting, and then sprinkle in posts promoting your affiliate offers. And the fifth reason that affiliate marketing is the easiest side hustle is that you can start and run this business from absolutely anywhere at any time that suits you. This is probably the most flexible online business model that you can start. So if you want something that you can do from literally anywhere with an internet connection, then affiliate marketing is for you. Want to sit in your bed in your PJs all day long while you work? You can do that with affiliate marketing. Want to sit on a tropical beach somewhere while you work? You can do that with affiliate marketing. Do you want to still make money even if you had to take a week off because you got sick? You can do that with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has to be the most versatile, flexible business model out there, and it is just suitable for so many different types of people with all different levels of skill. And the beauty of it all is that it can be scaled. And something that you might hear entrepreneurs talk about is, can your business be scaled? And what does that even mean? It means, are you able to continue growing your business and in turn your income without needing to spend more time on it? For example, let's say that you are a freelancer, a graphic designer or a web designer that you work on a freelance basis with clients. You only have 24 hours in the day to be able to create graphics or to create websites. So once you reach that limit of how much time you can spend doing that, you have basically hit the limit on your earning potential as well, how much income that you can make. With affiliate marketing, you don't have those limitations. It is basically limitless with how much that you can earn without having to put in the extra time into your business. All that you need to do is find more ways to reach more people. This could be through continuing to grow your audience or adding more platforms like other social media or building an email list to reach more people. It could mean investing in advertising to push your content out there to more people, in turn growing your audience and reaching even more people. And all this can be done without actually having to invest more time in working on your business. And that's what I love about affiliate marketing. And I hope that you can also see the amazing benefits of the affiliate marketing business. If you're interested in finding out more information about the 15-day business builder challenge that I took, which transformed my affiliate marketing business to where I'm making thousands of dollars every month, in addition to the other streams of income that I have, like KDP, then I have popped a link in the description box below to the 15-day challenge if you want to find out more information about it. And so those are my 5 reasons why I think affiliate marketing is the easiest online business that anyone can start, regardless of age, location, experience, or skill level. If you have been enjoying my content recently about affiliate marketing and you would like to see more of that, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up or leaving a comment down below. I really, really do appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video.